Hi, welcome back to Patrick's Tech Reviews, and today I'm going to present you the Fotopro uFO 2 set, which is a tripod. And actually it's not a normal tripod, it's one of those flexible ones, as you can see here. So the uFO 2 or the Fotopro uFO 2 is basically a tripod for traveling, and this is what I'm using this for. And as you can see, you can attach this to different things, like what I have here now. It's a lamppost, and I have my Canon EOS M2 on it, and obviously it works with different cameras. It works as well with big DSLRs, however not in this constellation, because according to how slippery the surface is, you can see that when I put it around, it is a little bit of work to attach it like this. But what I like as well, we have a flexible head here with a ball head that you can turn. So even though you see the base of the uFO 2 is not straight, with the ball head you can actually make the camera straight again. So the good thing about the uFO 2 is it comes with some gimmicks, and one of them is actually you can attach a normal camera through the screw on the bottom as is, and in the package itself there's some more things. So let me just take them out and show them. Now, as you can see here, we have actually another part which is actually the base for a Gopro mount, and this part here comes already with the uFO 2, and you can see you can mount this one upside down and attach it. And obviously the ball head is still flexible, so you can unlock it, you can turn it around, adjust it to any angle you'd like to, and then basically screw it back on. So very flexible, very versatile, and with the GoPro as well. And next part, in a second, you're gonna see that we have another mount which is actually available for all those people who don't have cameras. So next feature we have is the mount for mobile phones. As I mentioned, for everyone who doesn't have a camera, but you might have a mobile phone, this is your camera. So you have a mount for the phone. It's adjustable here, so it slides up and down. You have a screw here, and you have another one on the bottom, so you can attach it like this. As you can see here now, I'm doing a time-lapse with my iPhone. Unfortunately we have no clouds, or actually I should have put the phone a bit higher, but we have the water moving, so I'm gonna put the clip in, and as you can see, we're on a bridge, so I can jump a little bit, but the phone is stable. And again, you see it's very flexible. You can put the feet around. Here we go. And you can do stable shots. So this is important actually when you do night photography, or when you want to do time lapses like in this case, and you just don't want to have this shaking and so on. So very cool. Let me just mount the phone different way, and you will see how it looks if you want to maybe attach it on the side of the bridge, for example here, or maybe on top there, and then you would use the screw on the back side. So let me just remount it. So now I've mounted it to the back screw, and as you can see, if you have anything like that, you can attach your phone, and for example, if you do a vlog, selfie, video, whatever, you could basically sit in front of the camera now here, right, and let it record you. So let me just switch to the front camera. Here we go. And now you basically could record yourself. So as you can see now, I'm recording the camera, and this way you could do a vlog, something like that. Now, last but not least, there's one more feature which I want to show you. Let me just get it out. And believe it or not, this comes with the uFO 2, which is a Bluetooth clicker. And what it does is actually it takes a picture. So you just have to connect it. Let me just show you how to connect it and then how it works. Okay, so clicker. As you can see, take a picture. On the side has a rocker. Here we go. So you just turn it on. Then you go to Bluetooth connections, and you see BT -4. Maybe you can see it better. Is connected. So now I can go to the camera. We switch to this view, and now. It's very bright, sorry for that. I hope you can still see something. Now if I press that one here, You see? It takes a picture. So I can go further away. Yeah. You heard it? And let's see how far we can go. See, so you can go really, really far. Now I'm in the whole picture, and I can actually, let's see if I can hide it. Yeah, I can hide it behind my back so you won't see the remote, and you'll be able to make some really nice selfies when you are out and about. Now, so the entire package basically consists now out of obviously the outer box. Inside everything is wrapped in plastic, so it doesn't come like this, don't worry. So we have the uFO 2 with the flexible ball hat, and let me just put the camera down. And then obviously you have the legs as well. You can see here, you can fold them in. So they have like the inner mechanism, see, like this, and then you fold them out to basically extend them a little bit, like that. So we have the tripod itself, then we have the adapter for the phone, and again what I mentioned is it's flexible. Yeah, we have one screw here and we have one screw on the bottom. We have the Gopro mount, and we have what I really like most is, actually let me turn it off so the battery doesn't run out, is the Bluetooth remote shutter. And this is really, really cool. Now, at the time of making this video, the whole package, basically the whole thing, you'll find a link as well down in below the video in the description to Amazon, and the whole package is €19.99, which is a really great price considering that you don't get just the monopod. And what I like about this is, well, it has this whole rubberized thing here, and it looks really, really stable. I like this. Then on the bottom you have this feet, which not only feet but as well when you attach it somewhere around, so because of the rubber endings and they're a little bit soft, they try to grip to it so it doesn't move away. And what I like as well is the ball head. So if you just use a mobile phone, you have this. If you use a GoPro, you have that. If you have a normal camera, you use the normal ball hat, and then you have the remote as well for your phone, which is great. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to buy it, just go through the link below. You're not gonna pay more. It's gonna be the same price for you. I'm just gonna get a little share out of it from the affiliate link. So I would appreciate it if you buy it through the link below. I can recommend it. It's really great. So this is what I'm using when I'm on the go, out on vacation, and so far I'm really happy about it. So thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and see you next time.